Today we talk about how can you enable private profile on your Clubhouse app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So when you just click on photo profile here, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on your name here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to private profile, click in this sign here. So then you click here on yes confirm. Then like you see this color show for us, that's my private profile enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.